friends, I'll be super happy if I am able to help each one of you get at least one meal per week from your own kitchen garden. Hello everyone, I'm Chetna and today I'm back with a video on how to make a natural pesticide. An organic one without chemicals that you can make at home with 4 simple ingredients. See, when you will grow plants, you are likely to face issues like pests, diseases or insects on those plants. And this pesticide that I am going to teach you is going to help you with all those issues. So the first ingredient is garlic. Garlics contain amino acids that when crushed or chopped or blended, they release them and then get converted to allicin. That smell, that bad breath after eating garlic, that's the same smell that the insects get and it repels them. The second ingredient is salt. Salt is also a very good insect repellent. In fact, it has been used since ages to repel away bugs and snails. It dehydrates their bodies so they don't come near your leafy vegetables, especially like spinach or lettuce. The third ingredient are black peppercorns. You have to crush the black peppercorns and add it to this mixture. The black pepper is also a very huge repellent of insects. Any guesses for the fourth or the final ingredient? Yes, that's water. You have to add all of those 3 things, garlic, salt, pepper, to the water. So let's see how I made this natural pesticide with the 4 ingredients. Okay, so this is how one can make a natural pesticide which is not harmful for your soil, neither it is harmful for your plants or for yourself, but it drives away the pests. All the insects and pests, they do not like the smell of garlic or even the taste or smell of pepper, and they don't like anything that's very salty. So this pesticide contains garlic pods, some ground pepper, something like 10 cloves, and a spoonful of salt. Add water to this, a liter of water, and let it rest overnight. In fact, you can let it rest for 2 days and it will have more effect. You have to sieve this water and sprinkle it very nicely on your plants. So this is what I got at the end of the process. This has garlic, pepper, salt and water in it, and I let it rest overnight. Now it is ready to get sieved. And then you have to take a sprinkler, something like this. I usually use a funnel to pour. This has a very strong smell. All-natural pesticide or insecticide. This doesn't contain any chemicals. You can sprinkle it over the plants to get good results. You can also choose the plants that have a disease or an insect on them and you can spray this. I want to tell you that please have the patience to sprinkle this 2 to 3 times in a day. If the insect doesn't go away, because sometimes it doesn't work in a single application. The synthetic insecticides or pesticides, they work in a single application, but then your vegetables or fruits don't stay organic. It's as good as buying from a vegetable vendor outside. So make sure you use this on your fruits and vegetables to get the best results. Now that our natural pesticide is ready, I would like to use it on my brinjal plants because the rainy season has just begun, and I can see that my brinjal plants are not looking very healthy. So I'm going to spray this pesticide. You have to ensure that when you're spraying, it's going generously on each leaf, each bud, and every area. You can already see the big ants feeling uncomfortable because of this spray. So that's how you have to use this natural pesticide to get the best results. If my video on how to make a natural pesticide has helped you, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that the next time when I make a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for taking out your precious time to watch my video.